Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. While I've got other projects drying and glue setting and that kind of stuff, I'm going to start my next build, which is this Revell 64 Chevy pickup Fleetside. It's 125 scale, skill level 2. Nice looking kit there on the box. This is kit number 7613. And as always, I'm going to take everything out and display it out on the table here, and I'll get right back to you. Well, I must say, for a skill level 2, this kit has got more parts in it than the last 2 kits I think I've done. Got all kinds of choices here. I haven't decided which way I'm going to go with this build yet, but I've got time, you know. This particular kit came out in 1996. I don't know when the original issue was for it, but I'm sure you can check it out on Scalemates. So alrighty, I'll get to trimming these parts off the trees and putting aside what goes with what, and I'll be back for an update. Thank you again for stopping by. And here's a quick update on the 64 Chevy pickup truck. The frame is all done. No issues whatsoever on this one. It went together nicely. And now we're going to install the engine. And just about completed. Excuse me, I'm undecided on what color to paint it. I've got the interior done with flat black and some gold. I'm going to be detailing that in a little bit. But the body, I haven't come up with a good color yet. And I've also learned that I'm really bad at doing updates because I get so involved in the build that I forget about picking up the camera and showing you progress. But I kind of remembered on this one. Here's the 283 going to go in there. And this here is the 427 for the 67 Impala. However, that video might be out before this one, so if you didn't get a chance to see that one, be sure to check it out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll be right back. Quick update on the progress. The 64 Chevy pickup is coming along nicely. Still waiting on some new sanding pads. I've got a little bit of gaps I've filled in here just to make the fitment a little better, a little rough. And then the hood was the same way. I had to do. This was kind of a bear to figure out how this thing hooked up. These two little pieces here were separate, and the instructions didn't tell you anything about how they go on, just that they went somewhere on the hood. And it's like, okay, so trial and error. Finally, when I grabbed this front piece right here, which is totally separate, then it all sort of fell into place and made sense. But as soon as I get my new sanding pads in on Sunday, which will be tomorrow as of this recording, get that all sanded up and get it painted and slap it all together. It's coming along nice. There's a quick little glimpse of the 67 Impala. There it is there. Again, still waiting on sanding pads so that I can smooth out that body and throw some paint on it and get it done too. So alrighty folks, appreciate it. See you in a bit. And the 64 Revell Chevy Fleetside pickup is coming along good. Just got a few little details to put on there and it'll be ready to go. More to come. Yeah, there we are, folks. Another one in the collection. Sorry, lost for words there. Hope everyone's having a great day. Model Car Guy Rich here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the completion of the 64 Chevy pickup Fleetside by Revell 125 kit. And I finally picked the color out. It's a buttered, I think they called it buttered hazelnut. I was in Hobby Lobby the other day, and in their clearance section they had a can of paint on sale for $1.24, and I thought, holy goodness, that's it right there. That's the color. There it is. It's beautiful. It shines pretty. White walls came with the kit, which were very easy to put together. A little bit of difficulty on the tires themselves. I think I mentioned that earlier in the review here of the build. We'll lift the hood up, and we'll just go ahead and take it right off. There's some detail on the inside. Nothing fancy, but nice clean work on this one. It was a pleasure to build this kit. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's still available. Remember, this kit came out in 1996, so a little tough to find, I'm sure, but it was a pleasure to build. One of the stash that I had sitting around, I just wanted to build it. Most difficult part about this kit was probably the wheels and the fitment of the frame. Seems like a lot of the kits I've had lately, the frames have been a little bit twisted. I don't know if that's because they are old and I've had them sitting around, but they've been in good storage, nice, clean, cool, dry places, nothing too extreme in the heat or the cold. And it's just the way it is. It's a gamble we take. I really like the front end on this one. Come out pretty cool there. Little Chevrolet shining bright there with the red. It contrasts nice against the color of the vehicle. So that's it. I thank you all for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this one. And have yourselves a great day. It's Model Car Guy Rich out. See you on the next one. I'll get that in there in a second. Keep on modeling.